Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made delicious almond flour marshmallow cupcakes, and the design is inspired by the anime movie Weathering with You. If you like movies like Your Name and Spirited Away, you should definitely check out Weathering with You. So anyways, in a glass bowl, I added the wet ingredients and mixed it well. Then I added the dry ingredients. Afterwards, I folded in the mini marshmallows until it was well incorporated with the rest of the batter. I baked the cupcakes and let them cool completely before decorating them with blue vanilla buttercream frosting. I gently mist the top with edible green luster dust. Then I sprinkled the top with green sanding sugar and edible white nonpareils, inspired by the gigantic sky whirlpool from the movie. So have you seen Weathering with You before? If so, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.